everyone, welcome. Every time I breathe in really fast, I'm joking. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do I just leave the mask in? Is it going to blend in with my hair? Oh my god, is there a mask? Can you see it? I don't know. In today's video, I am doing this bright and fun makeup tutorial, and actually, this is the first video I'm filming for my channel using my new camera. So I upgraded the body of my camera. The lens is still the same, but the body is a very upgraded version. At first, I thought, I wonder if anyone will notice. I wonder if it'll look that different, but holy moly. It looks different. Been a very long overdue. 4.5 years had the same camera. So yeah, that's not the reason that I'm here today though. The reason I'm here today is because I'm doing a tutorial on this look. I've had this idea for such a long time, but I thought now is probably the best time to do it. As of tomorrow, which is Monday the 15th of June, there will be a rule in place where in the UK we have to wear masks on public transport. I think that rule is probably going to extend into we have to wear masks everywhere outside, especially as lockdown starts to ease here in the UK. So I really encourage you to go out and grab a mask. You can make them at home, you can make them out of a t-shirt, you can just wear a scarf, but if you have a spare £6 to £10, then I would encourage you to go and purchase one from my good friend Tara. We used to work together when we both worked in retail, and she does amazing things with fabric, like she's just insane. I saw that she was making masks and I wanted to showcase it. I mean, it wasn't really a question, I wanted to go and support her. They are just so cute, and these colours I just thought obviously went well with my hair, and I wanted to create a makeup look that would complement the mask and do like a cute makeup for masks, as we're gonna have to wear them probably for the foreseeable future at this rate. And you know what, it's so handy because you've only got to do this much of your face, so you're saving half of your foundation, powders, concealers, and you haven't got to spend ages contouring or anything, so it's actually saves a lot of time. I will leave the link in the description down below. I bought this myself. I just wanted to showcase it to you because I want to support my friends, you know? And I've seen loads of people doing them and loads of people making masks, but personally, these are the cutest ones I've seen. Her shop on Etsy is Thread My Needle, and you can go and have a look, and there are loads of cute things on there. There are loads of masks, and if you are into roller skating, then there are some goodies on there as well for you. So on Etsy, they range between $8 and $10, and it's free shipping, and also these are triple layered masks as well, and she puts all the measurements on there. She has said that there is more to come as well. There are different sizes, different styles and everything, so yeah, go and check them out and you can be safe and stylish at the same time. And I just wanted to create something really nice and colourful, and as well, it is Pride Month, so happy Pride. I wanted to just give a little bit of a burst of colour and happiness into everyone's week. If you want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going to prep my eye, and I'm just using, this is just a primer by Rimmel, but it's running out like everything that I own. The palette that I'm using is one that actually was #gifted to me at the Superdrug Presents event that I went to back in September, and this is by MUA. It's just like this like crazy wild palette, as you can see. It's amazing. I'm going to be using the shades in it. I kind of just thought that they really complemented this mask, and I just thought it's pretty much, is that not the same thing? I'm going to set my eyes with this shade first. Then we're going to build up the crease with this shade here, but to be honest with you, I'm probably just going to mix between the two because I don't actually know the difference. So I'm just going to use that to work in the crease just to get a little bit of warmth going on. Okay, so I really blew that out, and then I am going to go in with this super bright, vibrant pink, and I'm just going to do the same thing. This is going to take quite a while to build up, but I'm just taking it in the crease, and then once I've built up enough product, I'm just going to blend it out with the same brush again. Might take a little bit of that orange again, just to help blend it out, but it's a bit of a process this, so bear with. Okay, and once we have done that, I'm going to go in with this mauve, purpley mauve Mauve purple. I'm gonna mix it with the shimmery purple. I'm just gonna mix these two, and then I'm going to build that up into the crease, just so that we've got a little bit of definition when it comes to making the cut crease. And there's a defined difference between the pink and the orange on the lid. So it doesn't matter if it's messy on the lid, because we are going to be covering that with concealer anyway. I'm just taking it out a little bit as well, ever so slightly. So we want this bit to like define the crease. So if you want to like look head on, and then you can see, if you look down a little bit, where the hollow of your crease is, and then that's kind of like where you're wanting to put it. And the little way it wings out is kind of when you look up, you'll see the natural shape. I think a cut crease will kind of be different on everyone's eye, because everyone's eye is different. But this is how it seems to work on me. But I'm not gonna lie, I did this side 3 times. This is 3rd time lucky, so don't worry if it doesn't work out straight away. Most definitely didn't for me. So I'm gonna just use the pink to continue to blend that a little bit and make sure we keep that pink pigment, and then go back building up the purple again. You can just get rid of any makeup over here. Now for my least favourite bit, we're going to carve the crease. I am using concealer, which is, you can't tell, but it is one by Maybelline. And then I'm going to use an angled brush, which is an old MAC. Why is everything so old and haggard? So we're going to cut the crease. What I've learned with the cut crease is that you need to carve it, and then you need to kind of bring it down and then wing it out. You can see where your natural crease kind of comes up and lifts, and that is what you're following. But don't bring it right up into the crease, because we don't want to cover that purple that we just did. My eyes are slightly hooded, so for me the cut crease doesn't always work and it doesn't always last, so I probably wouldn't do this as something to wear all day. Wish me luck. What I'd recommend is doing it lower than you think first, and then building it up, because you'd hate to go higher and have to then mess up that blending work that you've just done. So start off lower than you think, and then at least you can build it up higher. And I've gone like that and flicked it out, and then you can blend that concealer down onto your face. It's already transferred onto the purple, which is okay. I can just go back in and touch it up, but it's just something to bear in mind if your eyes are a similar shape to mine. Okay, when you're happy with that, try not to look up too much. Go over what has smudged. Take this orange shade here and then pop it all over the lid. Just use my finger, because I feel like you get most pigment from your finger. And then I will go in with a brush for the precision areas, or for the areas that I want it more precise. But I think you have to just accept that with a cut crease, they're not going to be the same. It's like your eyebrows and your boobs and your feet. They're sisters, they're not twins. I'm just gonna take a little bit of highlighter, which is the Goddess of Love highlighter by Makeup Revolution, well, I Heart Revolution, in Golden Goddess, and I'm just going to use this to highlight my brow bone, as there isn't a highlighting shade in that palette. I might just set that because I don't want it to move. So I'm just gonna set it to my eye with the Makeup Revolution Hyaluronic Fix Setting Spray. Don't eat it. I'm going to tightline top and bottom waterline using, this is a Maybelline Tattoo Liner. Then we will be doing a wing. So I want to use my NYX vinyl liner, but it's run out. So what I do is I take the wand from that and I dip it into this, and I have no idea what this was, where this is from. It might be Primark. I mean, I literally have no idea, but the applicator is too thick for me to use on that one, so I will be dipping it in the more precise one. There's a little hack. So I might just bring that up a little bit higher, because the way it's sitting isn't quite sitting how I want it to with the liner, so I'm just gonna go back in with the concealer and touch up with the orange. I'm gonna do my brows, and I'm just gonna use my NYX Tame and Frame pomade in brunette, just for a little bit through the brows. I don't want too much, don't want anything too crazy. Okay, I still want those to be relatively natural. I just wanted to just touch up where my microblading has faded. I didn't really want it to be too intense because the eyes are pretty crazy. Tidy up that little bit there. I'm going to put on some mascara, which is just my Scandal Eyes by Rimmel, and then I'm going to put on a little 3/4 length lash, which is part of the I can't say it, but that range. So I'm just gonna do that and then I'll be back. Okay, hi team. So I can't actually zoom you in anymore. I don't know why. I'm using the same lens, but on this camera, this is as far as it zooms in. So let me come in and show you. Here are the eyes. So we don't actually need to do anything to this much of the face, which is quite nice. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put some foundation on. I'm just gonna put it on the top part because there's no point putting it on the bottom. I could put it on the bottom for aesthetics, but you're just gonna get the mask dirty and what's the point of wasting the makeup? So I'm going to prep the little bit that I'm doing with a Nivea Post Shave Balm, and this is a really good primer, so if you haven't used it before, do it. Right, this is the Revlon Colour Stay in 180. Do a couple pumps on my sponge and then just do this, which is a bit weird, but we'll bronze up the forehead. So strange. But how much time are we going to save by not doing this much of our face? Loads, I tell ya. I'll just blend it with the other side so that it kind of blends into the skin. Then I'm going to take the same concealer under the eyes because, oh honey, we need it right now. Hay fever is not our friend. Okay. I'm going to take a brush just to get in these areas. And then to set that down, this is just a powder from Technic. We don't want to set any creases. Never set a crease. Never set a crease. Never, ever set a crease. Okay, once we have done that, we need to bronze this gal up because I tell ya, she ain't looking too bronzy at the moment. So I'm gonna take the NYX matte bronzer. Why is everything so broken in my life? Not everything, not everything. Just all of my makeup. How much of my face can we see? Okay, we'll see the forehead. How much of my nose? Maybe take a tiny bit down the nose, but I mean like here, because that's all you're gonna see is this bit. Here. Continue that bronzer with the Makeup Revolution bronzer, which again is broken, everything's broken. Shimmer up, warm, shimmery bronze. I would say about blush, but there is literally no point because I put on blush here and here, and you're not seeing any of that. Highlighter, I'm gonna take a little bit, and I'm only gonna really take it on a fan brush, just for a little bit of highlight up in this area. Just take it there, and then maybe a little bit up the top here. Now, I'm gonna continue under the eye, so I'm just gonna finish this eye off, and I'll be back to do this one. Oh my god, I've just done this, and I'm obsessed. Look at this. So we're going to do that now, and the way we do that is, so I'm going to take the matte green first, this matte one here, I'm gonna run that in the first like quarter of my eye, under my eye. Oh, that's tickly. This triggers hay fever. I'm gonna be really upset. Then I'm gonna take the deepest blue right here and then run that along the rest of my eye. And not take it up any higher just yet, just stop there at the beginning of the wing. Then I'm going to go into the shimmers, mainly go into this one, and then after that I'm going to take the dark blue shimmer and just take that on the rest of the eye. Oh, I lie. I think I took this lighter green, mixed it with that one. Blending the two. So when I go in with the blue shimmer, I'm going to mix these two, I'm so sorry. And then blend it up a little bit, like this, so that it goes under the wing, and then continue to take it up. And then just continue to blend those two together under the eye till you get that nice like turquoise colour in the middle. Yes. Oh, she is colourful. I'm going to put some mascara on the bottom lashes, but not too much because I don't want it to take away too much of that underneath colour. And then for the glorious inner corner highlight, I'm going to be using the NYX glitter glue to secure some Barry M glitter, and this is like a high, what's the word? High, what is it called when it's like iridescent? High, what was I looking for in high? Iridescent glitter, and it is amazing. So I put a bit on and then I'm just going to blend it out a little bit with my finger. And then we go in with the glitter. There's a mix of glitters in here. Oh, so beautiful. Oh my god. There's like such a lovely mix of fine glitters and big glitters in this. I just adore it. Technically it's body glitter, I think, so technically I shouldn't really, yeah, I am not going to recommend putting it near your eyes, but you do you know? I can't stop you. I love it. Okay, and then I'm just gonna set everything again. Oh my god, I love it. I'm so glad that I started again twice because I love this now. So there we have it. That is the finished look. Let me come closer and you can see the eyes. Oh, I think they go so nicely. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay safe, stay healthy. Please subscribe if you are new here and whack that notification bell on because I upload twice a week and you don't want to miss out on one of my uploads, especially with my new camera. Yeah! Go and check out Tara's masks and just go and have a look at her Etsy shop. She is a whiz with the old sewing machine. So yeah, go and check them out. The quality is amazing. It feels sturdy. I have washed it already and it is just, it's as good as new. Stay safe. Be safe with your masks. Please give this video a like if you liked it and would like to see more videos like this in the future. Happy Pride and I will see you in my next one. Bye.